Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA Vice City cannot find 640 by 480 video mode error with some quick and easy steps. This issue usually happens due to incompatible display settings or missing files, so let's fix it. First, go to your GTA Vice City installation folder. Right-click on gta-vc.exe. Open Properties, then go to Compatibility tab and enable Compatibility Mode for Windows XP Service Pack 2, and also check Run this program as administrator. Then apply changes. Next, try running the game in windowed mode by creating a shortcut and adding -window at the end of the target line. After that, update your graphics drivers to the latest version to avoid resolution issues. Now, if the error still appears, reinstall DirectX 9 and make sure your system supports older display modes. Also, avoid using mods that change graphics settings. Finally, restart your PC and launch the game again, and the error should be fixed easily. Subscribe the channel for more videos.